Today I'm going to show you how to use the Soothing and Barrier Support Serum from The Ordinary. If you already have it or if you want to try it out, then today I'm going to show you how I'm using it for the best results. Okay, as always, you gotta apply it to a clean face. So as the first step, we're going to wash our face. I'm going to be using this Oak Essentials Pure Gel Cleanser. I like to double cleanse. The second time I'm gonna use this cleansing balm from Oak Essentials as well. I'm gonna use this balancing mist with extra hydration on. Once your skin is dry, go in with this pink serum, maybe 3 to 4 drops. And what this serum does, it helps with the redness, with your uneven skin texture, and it also boosts your skin hydration, which is crucial during the winter months, especially for me because my skin is so dry and I really need that. I recommend using a good moisturizer after, just to seal that hydration.